From way back, I'm a Muffy lover.
Wow, and just so you guys know, today is 15% off. And just so you guys know, today is Muffy's. Let's give that one more shot. Okay, and just so you guys know, today we are doing 15% of our sales donated to the SPCA. It's SPCA Mondays and Muffins. A little something we like to do. So.
You really love animals, huh?
Yeah, I really do. I'm Mr. Animal Lover. That's me, baby.
Then why are you eating an animal?
Yeah.
Check, please. Was there something wrong with that?
Just hit.
Besides
him.
me laughing.
Just hit him because it's like he's waiting for.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
I kept waiting for it to get to your mouth.
Just pound me.
It doesn't need to. It's more about the timing than where the sandwich actually is, because it looks like he's waiting for your line.
Yeah.
And we're still rolling.
And for you?
I would like to try the Muffy's 7-grain salad, please.
That is actually one of our most popular choices.
Okay, take it from and for you. No, yeah.
That's not gonna work.
Just take it from and for you.
All right, and for you?
I would like to try the Muffy's 7-grain salad.
It's not that funny.
Wow. This is the chicken parm sandwich, side salad. And here is your Muffy's 7th grade. Sorry.
You did your line on the wrong side of the TikTok.
I know, but we can still.
Right.
Okay, so
Well, it's never going to match up with all of the other takes.
Okay, back to one.
Yeah.
Back to one.
so complete. So that I say thank you when he brings the food.
Right. Nice. That's so nice. So nice they're giving back these.
Still rolling.
That's before.
Yeah, still before the TikTok. We have it.
And action. Actually, I'm sorry. Go back to one. Ryan, come up with your pad already out, because while you're talking and you're going for your stuff, and I'm getting a lot of noise there. Okay, reset one more time. Back to one.
You didn't say Muffy's Monday, which is why I didn't laugh.
It's SPCA Monday at Muffy's. I didn't say
Something we like to call. What'd you say?
It's a little thing we like to call SPCA Mondays at Muffy's.
That's it. Get him going again, and
No, it's all out of me now.
and cut.
That seemed like a really good take. Yes, it did.
It's kind of
Instead of making up conversation about Muffy's. Can't help it. From way back, I'm a Muffy lover.
I think I was 14.
Since you were 14? Wow, you were early.
All right, and go ahead. Okay, action. Okay. We're not going to do better than that, but let's do it one more time. That's going to be so funny because every time it's the same footage of you tripping. Action.
my windowsill.
Yeah, don't touch that.
It's a poison.
I know you're bad for me. I don't care. Damn them and their judgmental attitudes. I need you. I need you every day. You complete me. Now I just need to know how to tell Mustard. You said okay before I finished. How does that sound? Like,
that really wasn't a take.
oh, okay, good, good.
Well, we started rolling, but halfway through it.
So yeah. Oh,
We are rolling now.
how come you never slated this?
We don't need to. The audio's already tied in.
Or how come you didn't say action or anything? Any of the extras that I'm paying for. Say action.
Action!
I don't care. Damn them and their judgmental ways. I need you. I need you every day. You complete me. Now I just need to know how I'm going to tell Mustard.
You've reached the Nines restaurant. You're no longer open. You are closed. Thank you for all of your patronage. We appreciate your support and business. If you need to call us, please call our office at 607.
You know I love you, right?
98.
Oh my God, the last number's cut. And the person who shot John F. Kennedy is